Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to use Target app. So just watch and follow this video till the end. After downloading Target app from Play Store or App Store, open it and you should create an account. So for who have an account already like me, you have right now to go here. So here in this page, if you click here, you will find all your settings, your profile. If you want to delete your account, you can find your gift card, your payment card, your address if you want to add it. Also, if you want to sign out, and if you want to change your password or your passkey or to allow your two-factor authentication. Also, you can manage notifications and appearance from here. If you back and you click on card, you will find your saved items that you want to buy later. If you click on wallet, you can find here your wallet information, and also you can find here your barcode. If you click on show my barcode, this is your barcode of your account. If you click here on this place, you will find this. Also, you can add items from here and pick an up. Also, if you click here, you can discover and search for the product or the item that you want to buy, and that's all. As you can see right now, the application is very useful. If you want to, for example, buy something, you have to add it to cart first and click add to cart and click here on cart, and you have to choose it, your item that you want to buy, and click checkout and click and add your payment method and click place your order. As you can see, Target, it's a very useful app, and I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, also subscribe.